guys, good morning, nice to meet you. Welcome to our program. This is Sporso and Agrobis program. Today I will show you how to make oil saline. This is very simple way. So please have a look. You can see jar, you can see molasses, salt and spoon. So first of all, you have to take the water in the jar, half-liter water, and the water must be pure. And you can also boil the water, and after boil you can cool the water. So the purity is necessary. And then you have to take the molasses of one handful of molasses. You have to take one handful of molasses. Look at that I'm taking and putting the molasses on the jar. Okay, it's done. And now you have to take a pinch of salt. Look that I'm taking a pinch of salt. It's okay. So now I have to mix it. So I have to mix with. Oh yes, I got it. I have to mix with this spoon. So now I'm mixing with the spoon. This is simple way. Yes. Look. The oil saline is ready. So this is the simplest way, and this is the simple solution of hypothermia, and the children and the other members of your family can have it easily. So no more today. I'll be back soon with another interesting video that how to make salad. No more today. Hope to see you next. Have a good time. Stay home, stay safe. Bye.